Getting your KDP books to sell every single day is actually a lot easier than you probably think. There's only really one thing you need to do, and I'm going to share with you what to do in this video. All right, my name's Jace Perry. I show people how to create KDP books that sell. If you want to learn more about that, subscribe for more. Okay, let's begin. So books that sell every day. I mean, that's the dream for most KDP sellers, right? Because once it's selling, it's just a passive machine. Okay, I've got I'm using a test account where I test out strategies that I'll share with my students and followers, people that are watching like this. It's only got 2 books because I haven't really had time to work on it. Both of them are selling every single day, and I just follow one rule, and I'm going to share this one rule, this one simple thing that you can do right now, so your next book can start selling daily. Okay, so firstly, when we're talking about making a book that sells every single day, what do we need? What we need is a winning niche. That's what I call it. I call it a winning niche because once you're in one of these niches, you're going to win. Okay, it's such a well-picked niche that you're in it to win it. I've got a free guide, by the way, that shows you how to find a winning niche in like 15 minutes. I'll leave a link below. Just click that and you can grab it. Okay. All right. So once you find a winning niche, what is a winning niche first of all? Right. What is a winning niche? If you think a niche as a person, so I mean, you know, we talk about niche this, niche that. Really, we're talking about a customer, right? So this is a customer, and this customer is already buying books. When I say customer, I mean like a type of customer. Say it's like a senior man or a teenage girl or a mum. Okay, that type of customer. When you find them, the right one, they're already buying books. Okay, but also these books, I'm just going to put little stars here. These books are high price, so you make high profit as well. Right? So this customer is buying books, so you got a chance to make consistent sales there, and it's buying a high price, so that means high profit. So if you think this customer here now is buying these books, these are the books already on Amazon. They're all getting taken up by this customer type, all right? He, she, they're loving it. They're loving these books. They're buying them constantly at a high price. Now, once you find this customer, this is very important because then all you have to do is position your books where the other books are similar to the other books. So now you've got your books there. The customer can see your book. It looks like the other books. It looks as good as the other books. I'll buy that one, and you start making consistent sales and at a higher price. Now, stupidly simple as that sounds, this is what most KDP sellers do. Let me show you. They don't look at this customer. They look at this one. This customer is them. They're looking at the book from a perspective of, I want to create this book. I want to create this book because it serves them. Now, a lot of authors fall into this trap. They just want to write about a specific idea, something that they want to express, which is fair enough, okay? But it's a lot more harder to make money like this because now you're the customer and you don't know if there's another person like you out there that's actually looking to buy. So this is what most KDP sellers do. If you want to make money on KDP, it's very important that you actually find a winning niche, find a customer that's already buying books so you can position your books right there next to them and they will buy your book. It's not the end of the world, by the way. If you've created a book and it's not selling and you're kind of falling into this category here, you can try, if you possible, to position this book more into this winning niche with a change of title or change of cover, or maybe you have to tweak the book slightly. It's not the end of the world, but always think in terms of how do I find this winning niche, and then you found this customer in the winning niche, how do you position your book so they're going to want your book as well as all the others. Like I said, I've got a free guide for you how to find this winning niche. 15 minutes, just grab it below. And subscribe for more quick tips like this on how to create KDP books that sell. I'll see you in the next video.